Buying groceries with Bitcoin is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, let's see how to order food using Bitcoin and crypto. So, in case you want to use crypto in order to buy food, then follow these steps. Buy gift cards for restaurants and delivery services. These must be paid for directly using your crypto wallet. So eat anywhere in the world using BitPay card. Also, order directly from such restaurants and delivery services that accept crypto. In order to get your food order started, follow along these steps over here. When using Bitcoin in grocery shopping, it's essential to keep the following in mind. Confirm that the grocery store or service accepts Bitcoin or that you can use Bitcoin indirectly through gift cards or debit cards. Be aware of any transaction fees associated with converting Bitcoin to a traditional currency or payment method. Understand the current regulatory and tax implications of using Bitcoin for everyday purchases in your country.